Hey there, and in this video you're going to learn how to create a Shopify collection in pretty much under 2 minutes.
And I'm Eugene from Shopify Media, bringing you the best tips, tools and strategies to help you reach more customers, growing your business with digital commerce media.
So, fair disclaimer, this little clip was taken from a full course that I released here right on YouTube that will teach you how to build an online store. It's completely for free. I'll go ahead and I'll link to it in the description as well as in the YouTube card above. But in the meantime, if you want to learn just how to create a Shopify collection, then I'm going to go ahead and link to that piece of the course right now. I'll catch you in the video. So let's head over to the collection. I'll show you how to create a collection and how to update the featured image. Head over to collections on the left hand side. You can always just click here at the top and say create collection. When you say create collection, it's going to open it up and it's going to look like this. All you have to do is put your collection title in there and you can write the description if you choose to do that. And then what you can do is you want to go ahead and create a condition and you want to say your product tag is equal to jewelry. And I'll show you where to go ahead and do that, right? Because when you add jewelry as a condition to your product, it will automatically bring it into this collection, saving you a ton of time. You don't have to go and manually do this. You can see here that I've tagged the jewelry product with the tag jewelry and they automatically are added to the jewelry collection. All I did here was I added a collection image or a featured image and I went and I found it on Unsplash. So if you go to unsplash.com, just type in Bohemian jewelry and then you will see that this comes up, download it and then head over here and then you can literally just go ahead and upload it. And then you just repeat that and you'll see that your 3 collections now have images, which is pretty cool. Hey there, I told you in this video you're going to learn how to create a Shopify collection in under 2 minutes, right? I didn't disappoint. So if you're interested in learning more about how to build a Shopify online store, then go ahead and tap or click on the screen right now and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, peace and God bless.